Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to see your purchase history on App Store. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your device. Then at the top right, tap on your profile. Now sign into your applet. Once you signed in, you will see this page with all your account information. Here you will see your subscriptions, purchase history, hidden purchase, etc. Now tap on Purchase History. Here you will see a list of apps you have purchased. At the top, you will see date range. Mine is set to last 90 days. You can change it by tapping on it. You can also see hidden purchases. That's how you can see your purchase history on iPhone. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.